God sent me to liberate mankind from all manners of sicknesses through the teachings of herbs. So, whenever you come into my channel, do not be in a haste. Try to go through all my videos. Perhaps some will take care of what you are looking for. God created all these herbs for our food and medicine. Unfortunately, we only took the food aspect of it, allowing the medicinal aspect of it to waste. As the saying goes, when the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. Don't worry, Shantari is here to teach you that. Let someone say there is power in nature. Stop playing.